Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Steam that says that it failed to start a game, and then in parentheses it says app already running. See the Steam support site for more information. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to save and close out of any open programs and applications, including Steam, and then go ahead and actually restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Honestly, at this point, if you relaunch Steam, that should have resolved the problem. And that's about it. It's just likely there was more than one instance of the Steam application open. And then if you attempt to launch Steam again and launch the game you were playing, you shouldn't be having that issue anymore. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.